It is with the deepest shock and distress that the royal family announces the unexpected passing of Her Majesty Queen Shiyiwe Mantombi Dlamini Zulu, the regent of the Zulu nation. This has taken us by surprise and left us utterly bereft. It is true that the Lord alone knows the days that He has allotted to each one of us. On behalf of the royal family, I wish to assure the nation that while we are all rightly grief-stricken, there will be no leadership vacuum in the Zulu nation. Further announcements on Her Majesty's funeral and the necessary arrangements will be made in due course. May Her Majesty, our Regent, rest in peace.